In this video, I will show you how to create a Shein account. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you want to do is come across to the official website, which is shein.co.uk. From here, come up to the top right hand corner, and what you want to do is click onto this little person icon. Once you've done that, you're going to get this menu come up, and you want to come and click on sign in register. What it's going to do is take you to a screen like this. Now you can either register with a mobile number or email address, or you can do a quicker registration by using a Google or Facebook account. For this example, we're going to start from scratch. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and enter an email address into the box here. Once that's done, click on to continue. What's going to happen next is a window is going to pop up where you'll need to select a password. And you can also choose your shopping preferences from here, whether it's woman, men, plus size, kids, home or pet supplies. So I'm just going to go ahead and select a couple of these, and then what you want to do is tick the box to agree to the privacy and cookie policy, terms and conditions. Once that's done, click onto the register button. What's going to happen next is a box is going to pop up asking you to enter and verify your phone number. You don't have to do this, but if you do, it just means you can log in directly with your phone number. And there is boxes here to tick as well if you want to receive newsletters and offers and things like that from Shein via WhatsApp. But of course, this option to enter your mobile number is completely optional. You don't have to do this. In this example, I'm just going to go and skip this, but of course you can add that if you want to. What's going to happen now is the website should refresh. And as you can see, we got a registration success message, which means we are registered and good to go. Generally, they've got coupons they're going to give you for signing up as well. So you can see for myself, I've got £3 off my first order, which applies to select items. But if we come up to the top right hand corner, hover over my profile, you can see I've now created my account and I'm logged in, ready to start shopping on Shein. So that is how to create a Shein account. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.